Have you ever heard of a plaintiff's attorney complimenting a defense attorney on a case they worked on together? You want to know the answer and why I bring this up? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. This was a wrongful death matter. My client was bringing a lawsuit seeking compensation for the untimely death of their family member. And now during the course of the lawsuit, they had an opportunity to be questioned by the defense attorney. This is known as a deposition. It's a question and answer session that's given under oath in my office. So now the defense attorney is somebody who I've known for many, many years. She's excellent at what she does. What was amazing was that this attorney did something during the course of this question and answer session that totally blew me away. And I say that in a good light, and I rarely will do that when talking about a defense attorney. But now, there was something remarkable about the next series of questions that blew me out of the water. She began asking questions of my client about the person who died, her family member. This is something that no defense attorney in all my years of practice, 26 years of practice, had never, ever focused on during a deposition. By asking them during pretrial testimony, she knew exactly what she wanted to accomplish. Because if she had this information, now she could use it against us at the time of trial. This was a brilliant strategy, and something that I'd never, ever seen any defense lawyer do during the pretrial question and answer phase, known as deposition. After we had taken a break during this particular question and answer session, I turned to her and I said, "That was brilliant." And she looked at me as if I was being condescending to her, as if I was mocking her. And she said, "Are you mocking me?" I said, "What?" She said, "Are you making fun of me?" I said, "Absolutely not. I'm giving you a compliment. I just think you did something remarkable that I've never seen any other defense attorney do." She couldn't accept the fact that I just complimented her. Now, why did I do that? Because there was no skin off my back to go ahead and compliment her for doing a job well done. She had every right to ask those questions. She did it beautifully. And I was simply saying something nice off the cuff, saying, "Hey, that was a great job you just did asking those questions." And she thought I was mocking her. How do you like that? Unbelievable. So why do I share this quick story with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight, a little different look at what happens during the course of a question and answer session prior to trial, pretrial testimony, where some attorney does something remarkably well. And now, when we're off the record and we're taking a quick break, I make a nice compliment and she turns around thinking that I'm mocking her. Unbelievable. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a great day.